everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple and aesthetic projector type photo effect using the Hypic app. It's super easy, fast and totally free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Hypic app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And then just choose the photo that you want to edit, like this. For the best result, I recommend using a picture with a plain background like this. This will make the projector effect looks much cleaner. And then now go to filters and then select quality and then just search for dark gray. This one, just tap on it. This will give your photo a nice mood base, almost like a cinema vibes. And next head over to adjust and then tap on temperature. This one. And then slide it all the way to the left for a full cool tone, like this. This will instantly give the photo a colder, more dramatic feel, which is perfect for the projector look. And now let's add key element. Go to effects and then light and then search for captions. This one, like this. And then just adjust the positions and then adjust the distortions intensity as you like. For example, like this. This will create the iconic projector type text overlay effect, while giving the impressions of light being projected onto subjects. And then to finish it off, go to retouch, this one, and then just choose relight, this one, and then from the options just pick metallic blue, this one. And then adjust the brightness as you like. For example, like this, and then just check please. This adds a futuristic glow and completes the projector style aesthetic beautifully, like this. And when you're done, just tap on export. And okay, that's it. With just a few simple steps, you have turned from a plain photo into an aesthetic projector type edit using Hypic. Quick, easy, and super aesthetic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!